need peas, potato, cumin, garam masala, chili powder, oil, salt and pepper. First we're going to boil the potatoes with the skin on. We're frying the peas with cumin and salt. I'm going to have to mix the potato, peas and spices. That's the filling done. Now we're on to the pastry and we need flour, oil and water. Now we need to knead the dough. Lots of kneading later. We're going to leave the dough for 20 minutes. We've cut them, now we have to seal them. Now we need to fill them up. Now they're made, it's time to fry. It's time to fry. Finished article. 7 out of 10, but not better than Samosa Saturday.